everyone, Josh Gibbons here, back with another Amazon FBA update. I just want to say before I get into this, thank you so much to everyone who left a comment of support or sent me an Instagram direct message or an email after my one week review video. The support has been really great, and I honestly never expected it, so just thank you very much. It's really nice to know that you guys are supporting me through this journey. So thank you so much. Let's get into a 2-week review video. Gonna prop the camera down a bit there. Right, yeah, let's switch over to my computer. Hey guys, we're back on my computer, and this is it. This is my 2-week results. So, if you guys didn't see the 1-week results, you'll know that it was from the 28th of November to the 5th of December, and this is the 2 weeks, so it's 28th of November to the 12th of December. And yep, this was crazy. After I recorded the 1-week update video, it was literally a couple days before the 2-week mark, because I was a little bit late, and I was so shocked to see that we actually hit the 1K revenue mark on my 2 weeks, which is so amazing. So yeah guys, this is obviously my results. I got £1,020.49 pounds over the course of 2 weeks, exactly 14 days, which was 43 units ordered and 41 total order items. So to talk a little bit about this, you're probably thinking, what's the difference between the order and the units? It's pretty self-explanatory. Basically, for some reason, I was super shocked. In the first week, or it might have been in the second week, someone actually ordered 2 units, and that actually happened twice. So like, people didn't go onto my list and then just order 1. They ordered 2, which was super freaking amazing. And I hadn't set up a promotion as well by that point. At the moment, I have got a promotion running for 10% off 2 units, but literally people did it without me even having a promotion. That was a very cool, notable moment that happened. So yeah, 1K in sales. Let's go over to the PPC report. So in the 2 weeks, I spent £287, ACOS of 35%-ish, and the sales here say £835. So again, going back to last video, thank you to everyone who kind of answered my question of why is there a difference in sales. So here it says 835, but here it says 1020. So I actually don't know myself exactly why the difference is so huge. I know that 2 sales weren't a PPC, which would take us to about £880, but then there's literally £200 missing somewhere of sales that seemingly didn't come through PPC. Now, this could be the Facebook ads I was running, so I'll have to look back at the dates of when the Facebook ads ran, kind of how many clicks I got, and all that sort of stuff. But again, guys, we got an ACOS of 35%. If any of you are running PPC at the moment, hopefully, I mean, I don't know. Again, I'm totally amateur. I'm new to this. This is my first time doing anything like this. It's just been phenomenal. Like, the fact this is happening is just crazy, especially at my age. Hopefully this is giving you some sort of insight though. So pretty much, guys, this is it. Let's have a look at this one again. You can kind of see, I guess, a positive trend with the graph. You know, to start with, I got these first 2 sales, they weren't PPC, then it's kind of gone up and down and up and down, but it's gradually rising. And again, just for reference, this is only the 2-week mark at the moment. I'm literally 1 day away from the 3-week mark, and I'm going to create a 1-month update for everyone, which will be on the 28th of December. But yeah, it's honestly been insane, guys. Like, it's really hard to describe the incredible feeling you get when you see these figures, because it's okay when you plan for it and you kind of write out what you expect to happen, and then when it like actually happens but better than you thought, it's the most rewarding feeling ever. And at my age, at 17, this is something that is just just absolutely bonkers crazy. And I'm so grateful for Johnny Bradley for helping me with his course, for everyone who supported me throughout this journey, and kind of just proud of myself for taking the leap, because it's possible. Every single day, like, just as a little story, every day I'll wake up at whatever time it is, and I'll literally go straight to the app. Yes, it's a bit addicting, guys. You go straight to the app and you refresh and you see how many sales you've got. And sometimes in the morning, of course, there's no sales. It's actually quite rare to wake up to sales, by the way, because just think about how many people are shopping at like 5 or 6 a.m. in the morning. But you wake up and you see that you've got a sale, or you refresh it at lunchtime and you see that you've sold a couple of units. It's just the most rewarding feeling ever. And I'm just so happy with how things are going at the moment. So at the moment, to kind of bring you to a more today update, a more recent update, I'm keeping on running the auto PPC. My campaigns are doing extremely well. I haven't set up my manual PPC just yet. So in the next week or so, I'm going to think about starting that one up. But I've been getting some spending, £60 days, £50 days. One day was even a £70 day, because you just kind of have to be aware of how many sales you're getting and increase the budget as things start to happen. PPC is one of those things where you don't want to set an incredibly high budget straight away, because it could literally burn everything and you might not get sales. But if you see a £20 budget, you're getting a couple of sales, then bump it up to 40 and so on. But yeah, it's just been incredible, guys. And if you're interested at all in learning about how I did this, because I'm just so incredibly shocked at everything that's happened, then there's a link in the description of Johnny Bradley's course. That is the one I took. If you're going to take a course, that's the only one I'm going to recommend. I'm so happy with everything that's happened so far. And I can't wait to make a 1 month update, guys. So yeah, this is it. 2 week update. I'm nearly at my 3 week in real time, but this is the reflection on 2 weeks and what happened. We hit £1,020 in revenue, and I'm super pumped. So yeah, thank you again, guys. I'm going to bring back another video, which will be the 1 month review update. Kind of share some more results. Then I'm going to start kind of reflecting on the launch strategy, things that happened, to try and help you guys with your own product launch as well. So yeah, right, that is it, guys. I will catch you in my next video.